And tiny eggs and what they grow inside of them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where'd he come from? Nope. Oh, shit. Crab. Two of them. Danger beetles. Praying mantis. Bigger praying mantis. A blue one. What the hell is that? Damn. That's a big boy, isn't it? That's a huge fucking... That's not that impressive. Damn, he looks like a leaf. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, shit! That's from Elden Ring! In Volcano Manor! I know him! What the fuck is that?